struggling with have, has, and had. In the next 2 minutes, you will finally understand when to use each one with examples. You will never forget. Stop guessing. Start speaking correctly from today. Hi, I'm Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. Kindly subscribe our channel. Let's see the difference between have, has, and had. Have, has, had indicates possession, relationships, and actions. Use have for present tenses with I, you, we, they, like plural subjects. Has for the present tense with he, she, it, singular subjects. And had for all subjects in the past tense. They act as main verb for ownership and helping verbs for perfect tenses. Let's see have in present tense. Usage used with subjects I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Possession and ownership, if you take, like I have a new car. Relationships, they have two children. Actions and habits, we have breakfast at 7 a.m. In the present perfect tense, I have finished my homework. Now, has is in the present tense. Usage used with subject he, she, it, and singular nouns. Now, possession, ownership, an example, she has a red bag. Relationship, he has a sister. Action and habits, the office has a meeting today. In the present perfect tense, he has eaten lunch. Now, had is used always in the past tense. Used for all the subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it in the past tense. Now, past possession, had a bike when I was young. Past experience or action, we had a great time at the party. Now, past perfect tense, they had already left when I arrived. Now, have had or has had in the present perfect. Usage used to describe an action that started in the past and continues to the present, that is experience. Example, I have had this phone for 3 years and she has had pain in her leg. Thank you.